Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana in the kitchen, y'all hungry, yeah, talking about what y'all won't eat. You wanna make a bet, home cooked meals, hold on to your seat. It's Nana the Saucy Chef, now let's eat.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a quick and easy appetizer for game day. The ingredients that we're going to need today are salsa, guacamole, sour cream. You're going to need a 16-ounce can of refried beans. I have corn tortilla chips, and also I'm using mild cheddar cheese. Now you want to get your tortilla chips, and we're going to get a baking sheet lined with aluminum foil. We're going to take our chips and just begin to place them onto our baking sheet. Next, you want to heat up your refried beans. You want to put it in a small pan, and we're going to heat it up for 2 to 3 minutes. You want to make sure that you go ahead and stir it. Now you can heat your oven to 350 degrees. So you have your refried beans and your shredded cheddar cheese. All we're going to do is take some of our refried beans and place it down the center of our tortilla chips. Now we're going to take our shredded cheddar cheese, and you just want to put it over top of your refried beans. Now you want to place them into your oven at 350 degrees for 5 to 7 minutes until all the cheese has melted. While you're waiting for your taco bites to get done, you can go ahead and grab some little bowls. I have some cute little football bowls, and I'm just going to fill them with some guacamole, salsa, and sour cream. Okay guys, once they're out of the oven, all we're going to do is go ahead and fold them over into the shape of a taco. Okay guys, so here we have it, our bean and cheese mini taco bites. These are perfect for game day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet? Go birds.